Tip number 1. Add half cup of simple water and half cup of vinegar. Put in spray bottle and then mix well. Spray inside the shoes. You can also add few drops of lavender oil. Tip number 2. Add 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil to eliminate the bad odor. Tip number 3. Clean your shoes pair with rubbing nail paint remover wipes. It's evaporate and remove the bad smell. Tip number 4. Fill the dryer sheet or tissue with baking soda and place them inside the shoes. Let it sit overnight. Tip number 5. Place the lemon peels inside the shoe. Let it sit overnight to get rid of any bad smell. Tip number 6. Sprinkle the talcum powder inside the shoes. You can choose the powder according to your favorite fragrance. Tip number 7. Keep your sneakers dry after every use to prevent the bacterial growth which cause the bad odor. Thank you for watching. For more videos keep watching Beauty Tips by Adha. Bye bye.